Eddie. I spoke to you.
Very, very good that you noticed.
Yeah.
I was over at Echo Park and...
I get the key, please.
Sure.
Let you go.
Luckily, I noticed before it went all the way, right?
You do need 2 tires. This one is wearing out because of your alignment stuff. That's what's causing it, especially that side.
Okay.
Alright, let me give you well, one of them I gave you a price, and the other. I'll finalize it for you.
Yeah, but they've been, the tire pressure has been off for like 6 weeks, but I had it checked last week and it wasn't looking anything like that.
Yeah, I know.
When they go quickly.
Yeah. I need your info, please, if you don't mind. Print your first name, last, phone, email, address. It's a Nissan, right?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of Nissan was this? Nissan Versa?
Note. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry, Note, right?
Yes.
No, Versa.
N-O-T-E.
Versa Note.
Yes.
Okay.
They discontinued them a few years ago.
Right.
Not popular.
Well, they did very well in the market, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
The tire size, I'll write it down. 185.
All right.
Thank you.